Hey, hello guys, this is Praful Kulkarni and welcome back to Alpha Leo. So this is my first live trading video and इस वीडियो में मैंने explain किया हूँ कि क्यों ट्रेड लिया, कब ट्रेड लिया एंड कैसे कैसे एडजस्टमेंट्स करना पड़ा एंड एडजस्टमेंट्स करने के टाइम पे मैंने कौन कौन सी डेटा पॉइंट्स देखा. ऑलराइट, सो आई हैव taken you through my entire trading process. We traded almost the entire day. We sat in front of the systems at around 9:15 and we stayed till the markets closed. And that being said, when it comes to the profits and losses, yes, we made somewhere around 65k plus profits today. पता है like profits बड़ा नहीं है, but understand this, the capital deployed was only 11 lakhs. So which means we managed to return somewhere around 6% returns in one single day, which is a very favorable outcome considering the kind of moves markets were making. As usual, since like last 10 days markets have been extremely volatile and हमने कल के एनालिसिस वीडियो में भी ये डिस्कस किए थे कि मार्केट्स वोलेटाइल होने वाला है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई स्टेड अवे फ्रॉम द स्ट्रैडल्स एंड आई ट्राई टू मैनेज माय पोजीशन यूजिंग आउट ऑफ द मनी स्ट्रैंगल्स एंड दैट वर्कड आउट प्रेटी वेल एंड मार्केट वोलेटाइल था बट इट वाजंट disastrous and it didn't move. I mean, it didn't give some crazy moves or something. So in this video I've tried to explain pretty much everything, and since this is the first video I'm sure there will be tons of mistakes. So any suggestions, any criticism, any pointing out of any mistakes, feel free, let me know in the comment section, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
वेलकम बैक एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग इन. सो अभी प्री मार्केट खत्म हुआ है. द टाइम इज 9:09 एंड एज एक्सपेक्टेड, जैसे मैंने कल का वीडियो में बताया था, निफ्टी हैज गैप्ड अप अराउंड 15,200. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ग्लोबल मार्केट, all the European markets are in green, all the Asian markets are in green except straight. And today I'm expecting Nifty IT to do well considering the momentum that it witnessed in the last 1 hour of the yesterday's market. So, and to support our hypothesis, Nasdaq is also up by a massive 3.7%. But when it comes to Dow Jones has not been performing well because it went up approximately 2% and then it came back almost and it ended pretty much flat. It ended exactly where it was. So it's basically the sectoral rotation that's happening. So 2 दिन पहले Nasdaq completely 2% गिर रहा था and suddenly yesterday Nasdaq picked up traction and Nasdaq ended up 3.7%. That is massive, right? So again yesterday's Nifty IT, so it was almost down by 1%, but then it rallied almost 1.5% and then it has gapped up around 1%. So if you look at the sectoral indices, Nifty IT is the top gapper followed by Nifty Realty, and if you have to look at Reliance is doing quite okay, but look at all these things: HCL Tech and Tech M, Infosys, TCS, they've all been doing extremely well. Just let me add Infosys to the chart. All right, Infi and Mindtree, TCS, all tech companies, basically they have been doing extremely well in the pre-market. So that being said, our yesterday's hypothesis still holds good. We'll be trading somewhere between 15,300 to 15,100. That's the 2-point range. So let's quickly add our watch list. 15,300, 15,100 put, and then 14,800 put to buy as the hedges, and 15,600 call. All right, so we're going to be using somewhere around 10 lakhs capital. We'll keep 2 lakhs for the adjustments if need be, and with that we'll be trading with somewhere around 26 lots. So that's the risk appetite for the day. And with that, at any point of time, if we hit somewhere around 25,000 as the loss, we're going to come out of the trade and we're going to try to recover that loss by going out of the money strangles, trying to recover some of the losses by the end of the day. So the plan remains the same, and this is another trade where Bank Nifty is opening somewhere around 36,112, so which is exactly at the somewhere around this resistance level. So we'll wait for like a couple of minutes. Let's see where the market's gonna head. And अगर ये region के नीचे आ जाता है, then it will be stuck in this range. If it goes up, it will be stuck in this range. So my hypothesis is it is gonna push higher and then stay in this range. अगर index balancing, अगर index manipulation करना चाहते हैं, then we don't know. Alright. So let's prepare for everything and let's see what's gonna happen. I'll update you guys once I take the position. Alright guys, we have taken our positions and we are trying to collect somewhere around 28 and 25 rupees credit. So even with 25 rupees credit, we'll be somewhere around targeting around 50k for the day, which is 5% of the block margin. If you look at the block margin, I think it's not loading right now. चलो देखते हैं load हुआ है कि नहीं. क्या भैया, चलो let's give Zerodha some time. And यहाँ पे we are running cost to cost. यहाँ पे पहले मुझे stop loss set करना पड़ता है. Bank Nifty is forming a reverse pin bar. Nifty IT it has already gapped up and now it's trying to will there be some sort of a selling that might happen on the event of a gap up? So that's what we are looking at. If that happens, then yeah, we should be very agile and we need to be trying to cover our profits as soon as possible. And that being said, this sheet is not opening. I don't know what's the problem with this. Let's check WPS office. Come on bro, what's wrong with you? All right, okay, we are in. And what are our premiums? Call is 173 and 216. 173 and 216. So 260 and 325. 260 and 325. So that's what our stop loss is gonna be. Let's just cross check once again. 325. All right. All right. Okay, we are currently running somewhere around 6k, which is almost 0.75% of the margin deployed. So from here on, we'll just wait for the theta decay to kick in, and within next 1 hour, these 15300 calls should not appreciate as much as these 15100 puts will depreciate. So as and when we'll keep shifting the puts, we'll either rolling up the puts or rolling down the calls as and when required. And when such thing happens, I'll update you guys. So up 15,200k. Let's say straddles ले लेते हो. Even if you take 15,200 straddles, yes, we are trading somewhere around 90 bucks. So again, our break evens, run between somewhere around 15,300 and 15,100, which is pretty much the same. In spite of that, why I chose strangles today is, yes, the market has been all over the place, and I don't want to continuously adjust the positions. Suppose let's say we took this 90 point ka straddle and then we kept on adjusting, and let's say we did like some 6 or 7 adjustments, and at the end of the day if we manage to capture like 10 or 15 points or even 20 points, it would be pretty much same as holding this and capturing 25 points. So the idea is, so unless Nifty comes closes below 15,150, 15,150 के नीचे जब तक और 15,160 के नीचे जब तक निफ्टी नहीं आता है, we are not gonna adjust anything, or unless it goes above 15,250, we are not gonna adjust anything. So that's the plan for the day. As of now, we are sitting on a decent profit, but Bank Nifty seems to have chosen a higher strike, expecting the market to push higher, but Bank Nifty is slightly disappointing us because it's trying to head down. All right, a quick update. Alright, these puts started expanding. काफी ज्यादा मतलब बढ़ गया था, almost 19-20 rupees तक चला गया था. So what I had to do is I had to shift down my calls. So 250 का 300 का calls को मैंने book कर लिया, and I had to shift it down to 15,250. So 15,250 calls पे मैंने आ गया है. So that's the unless the high gets taken out, 15,250 का calls को मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला हूँ. That's the thing. Unless if the high gets taken out, if ये जो point है, let's just zoom it a bit. हाँ, आज का जो हाई है, जब तक ये हाई टूटता नहीं है, we are not going to do anything, and जब तक 15150 breach नहीं होता है, we are not going to do anything. So currently we are running, cost to cost or something. So let's see. And on this front, Bank Nifty front, I feel that Bank Nifty is gonna come down to 36,000 and then take a support from that point. And it's just not even 15 minutes into the market open, so we're gonna hold on to this position. So we still have around 38 points in this to capture. So even if you consider like 38 points and minus all the slippages, even if you manage to capture 30 points also, so that's going to be very decent. It's a 150 points triangle, and currently looking at this is some sort of a profit booking. So I'm going to expect some sort of a bounce back around these levels. So if that happens, all right, I'll let you guys know. And on the Bank Nifty front, यहाँ पे भी हमने cost to cost के आसपास ही trade कर रहे हैं. These puts might spike really fast, and considering that today is Thursday, so यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है? यहाँ पे the stop losses are very tight, very tight. अगर और एक Bank Nifty मान लो, और एक even if the Bank Nifty comes down by even let's say 100 points also, our stop loss is gonna get hit in this. And then if it reverses from that position, then yes, we're gonna have to take a loss for the day. But what I was thinking is 36,100, and what if we do the next week's trial? We've got like decent premiums on both of them, so I'm planning to all right. So we have 600 and 630. 900 and 945. 900 and 945. Alright, the funds blocked is 3.59 lakhs. Not a problem. Okay. So what we have done is since the put options, I don't know, like the put options are spiking up really high, and we don't have much room to breathe. So that's why like I've shifted the straddles for next week, and let's see what happens. And as of now, here we are trading just at around cost, because like both the calls are not decaying and the puts are spiking up. So अगर ऐसे हो जाता है तो then it's gonna be a bit of a confusion for us. So जब तक ये puts decay नहीं होते तब तक we're gonna hold on to this position. Nifty Bank has taken a support at 36,000 levels, and if 36,000 level gets breached, then yes, we might have to book loss in the straddle. And Nifty IT, even that is trying to reverse. A green candle is being formed. Reliance is taking the support at the yesterday's swing, and HDFC is looking strong. So that's the only hope that we're going to be staying north of 15,150. So if we come below 15,150, yes, we're gonna have to come down. So from positive territory, from plus 6k or something, like we are into negative zone, like the MTM wise. And on this, we are pretty much trading cost to cost. Since we have taken next week, like we've got a lot of premiums, and for these premiums to shoot up, so the market has to move, to in the north of like 1% or so, 1.5% or so. So let's hold on to that. And here, yes, the puts are spiking up and the calls are not at all decaying. यहाँ पे देखो puts almost 21 rupees तक spike up हो गया, and the calls are they're just there, like they're just holding there. Problem क्या है? Calls के लिए अभी भी demand है, because the global scenario is good. Dow Jones has been good, Nasdaq has been good, all the Asian markets have been good. So because of that, calls के लिए demand है. The calls are not giving up the values, and at the same time, these puts, everyone is speculating कि market gap up हो गया है and it will come crashing down. So when that happens, all right, ठीक है. But in spite of these puts spiking up, the OI rating has been increasing constantly on the put side, and even the call side, the OI rating has been increasing on the particular strikes that we have chosen. So let's see what's gonna happen. So a quick update. The time is 10:20, almost like it's been 1 hour since the session open, and Nifty has not been able to move anywhere. Almost एक 50 पॉइंट के रेंज पे फंसा है, एंड सो इज बैंक निफ्टी. जैसे उसने लो को तो तोड़ दिया, एंड ऑल्सो इट ब्रोकन द यस्टरडे सपोर्ट एज वेल, बट अगेन यस इट्स अ बेयर ट्रैप, लुक्स लाइक इट्स अ बेयर ट्रैप. यहाँ पे 20 मूविंग एवरेज के आसपास सपोर्ट लेके वापस इट इज बैक इन टू द रेंज. सो to give you the updates of our positions, currently we have almost captured around 4 points. 4 points हमने capture किए strangle पे, and premium wise we are pretty much balanced. We are at 17.5 and around 18.5. So the position is good to hold till either the high or the low is breached. अगर दोनों केस में अगर एक भी केस होता है, so we have to adjust the positions. And I wanted to tell you, the risk profile and the reward profile of strangles with respect to straddles. ये strangle मैंने 150 points का जो strangle है, it has given me 4 points in a matter of 1 hour. But ये जो 15-200 का straddle है, so it has almost given 10 points. So the risk reward is obviously greater in terms of straddles, and the time decay is also very good in straddles. And on the bank nifty front, we are looking at somewhere around 1.6. This has been varying 1.6 से लेके 3000 तक वेरी हो रहा था ये. And mind you guys, when you are trading the next week's options, especially on current expiry, the liquidity is very less, so make sure that you are not executing the orders at market, or else you'll be losing a lot on slippages. Okay, any further adjustments I'll update you. All right, the time is 10:35 and Nifty almost breached 15,150. जैसे मैंने कहा था, तो we had to sprinkle our, and looks like Reliance might take support now, and Nifty is also taking support at the 20 EMA. If it comes down, the next support will be somewhere around 15,110 to 15,120. So that's where we can expect Nifty to take support. As far as the positions are concerned, we are sitting on around 0.8% of the profit, like we have collected around 4 points, and we have distributed our risk across 4 strikes. So पहले we have a 100 points triangle between 15,100 and 15,200, and then we have a 200 points triangle between 15,250 and 15,050. So collectively our payoff graph looks something like this. So if the market ends between 15,100 and 15,200, so we're gonna make somewhere around 80k, which is almost 8% of the 8% of the margin block. So anywhere between this, so we have to do some further adjustments because we'll be looking at some deep MTM corrections. So that being said, we have almost made like 1% of the margin block. And on the bank nifty front, bank nifty में क्या हो रहा है? Bank nifty में we are sitting at somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000. Okay guys, the time is 11:30 and the current update is we are sitting on almost 18k profits, which is pretty much 2% of the block margin. Around like 1.82% of the block margin. See, what we have done is we have stayed out. Okay, हमारा जो strangle था, which was 100 points triangle and another 150 points triangle and another 200 points triangle. So basically we don't want to get involved with the violent moves that Nifty and Bank Nifty might make somewhere around 12:30 when the European markets open. So इसलिए मैंने क्या किया है, जो सारे जो options थे, तो उस options को 15,050 put में short किया. तो 15,050 पुट तक आने के लिए इट हैज टू ब्रीच दिस लेवल. सो हमको काफी सारा टाइम मिल जाता है टू एडजस्ट दिस. एंड द सेम टाइम 15,250 पे मैंने मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉल्स मैंने राइट किया है, बट एट द सेम टाइम 15,200 कॉल्स भी मैंने राइट किया है बिकॉज 15,200 कॉल्स आर ट्रेडिंग एट अ गुड प्राइस. एंड इफ मार्केट स्टार्ट्स गोइंग हायर, तो विक्स ज्यादा क्रश हो जाएगा एंड देयर विल बी थीटा डीके फ्रॉम दिस. एंड मैंने जो क्वांटिटी भी मैंने जैसे डिवाइड किया है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक 1/4 ऑफ दिस. 4:1 रेशियो में मैंने 15,250 एंड 15,200 पे मैंने कॉल्स डिवाइड किया है. सो करेंटली वी आर सिटिंग एट अराउंड 18,000, व्हिच मींस वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैप्चर्ड अ नॉर्थ ऑफ 9 पॉइंट्स. 9 पॉइंट्स हमने कैप्चर किया है. एंड ऑन द बैंक निफ्टी फ्रंट वी आर सिटिंग ऑन समवेयर अराउंड 3k प्रॉफिट्स, व्हिच इज प्रीटी मच वी हैव कैप्चर्ड 40 points in the DK. So this most of the things are trading somewhere around the cost. So unless some violent move happens in bank nifty, we are not scared of stop losses sitting on the either side. So if that doesn't happen, then yes, we can expect another 40 points DK till the end of the day. So that's it guys. So we'll try to hold on to this position unless 15200 gets breached or 1500 gets breached. ये जो 1500 and 200 के बीच में जब तक मार्केट रहेगा we're gonna stay put. So alright guys, the time is 12:27 and we are sitting at around 22k profits, and which is almost we have captured around 10 and a half or 11 points to say. And the bank nifty straddle is sitting at around 20 points DK, and it actually had given almost 50 points DK, but considering the dip that bank nifty gave in this point in this 15 minutes, so we lost, we had to give up so much of our profits. And now मैंने क्या adjustment किया है, 15200 का कॉल मैंने शॉर्ट किया है एंड 15050 का पुट मैंने शॉर्ट किया है. जैसे मार्केट ऊपर जाता जाएगा इट विल स्टार्ट फेसिंग लॉट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेस एट दीज लेवल्स. सो मेरे हिसाब से 15200 शुड बी ओके. एंड ये जो 15000 पुट्स है ये काफी जल्दी डीके होने वाला है प्रोवाइडेड दैट दिस कंसोलिडेशन लेवल गेट्स ब्रीच्ड. तो व्हेन दैट हैपेंस, so these calls won't spike up much, but these puts will decay very fast. So that being said, and बैंक निफ्टी में भी ऑलमोस्ट 1500 के प्रॉफिट्स पे बैठे हैं हम लोग, एंड तब तक हम एडजस्ट नहीं करेंगे जब तक ये रेजिस्टेंस को क्रॉस कर देता है. वंस दिस रेजिस्टेंस गेट्स टेकन, लाइक R1 गेट्स टेकन, सो विल मूव डाउन, विल मूव अप आवर puts from 15050 to 15100, and we'll try to distribute our risk between 15200 call and 15250 call. 15250 call पे आधा quantity shift करेंगे and we'll look at what's gonna happen. So currently we are looking at somewhere around 24k profits. So that's it guys. Like any further updates, I'll update you. Guys, the time is 12:40 and market जैसे हमने predict किए थे वैसे ही आया. It gapped up, got sold into, and now it took the support, especially it took support exactly at the yesterday's high, and then it is reversing. The reversal seems to be very strong. Reversal काफी strong लग रहा है, and बैंक निफ्टी में भी काफी reversal काफी strong लग रहा है, and our position is somewhere around 28,000, which means we have already captured somewhere around 13 points. ठीक है. So now this straddle 1550 and 15200 का जो strangle है, it has somewhere around 25 rupees worth in it. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, unless this level gets taken out, ये जो 15160 के लेवल्स, 15160 और 165 लेवल्स जब तक टेकन आउट नहीं होता है, we are not going to do any changes here. Once 15170 level gets taken out, what we're going to do is we're going to bring these calls, half of these calls to 15100, and we're going to move half of these puts to 15100, and we'll bring half of these calls to 15250, so that the risk gets distributed and we are not going to have to worry much about the 130 ka violent move. And on the bank nifty front, abhi it's back to around 2.5k, which means that somewhere around 35 points of DK we have captured. Okay, like it's now 3k, which means like we have captured around 40 points of DK. So if as long as bank nifty comes back up till like 36,000, this is gonna give somewhere around 60 to 70 points of DK. Like I'm expecting 60 to 70 points of DK today, but if I get anything north of that, I'll be more than happy to take it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slightly move our puts outside. तो sorry, calls को थोड़ा मतलब ये कर लेते हैं, and we'll try to buy these calls back at 17.5, say let's, or we'll buy them back at $17. And we'll sell them at $7. Okay, so we are good to go now. तो अभी हमने क्या किया है, जो 1550 से मैंने क्या किया है, 1550 को मैंने छेड़ा नहीं. लेट देम बी वेरेवर दे आर 1550, बिकॉज अगर हमने 1550 से लेके 1500 तक आ गए एंड दैट रिवर्सल, सपोज एक सडनली एक रेड कैंडल आ गया, तो दैट रिवर्सल विल किल अस एंड इट विल टेक आउट मोस्ट ऑफ आवर प्रॉफिट्स, बिकॉज एक सडन वन सेल ऑफ इन द आफ्टरनून कैन कंप्लीटली catch us off guard. So we don't want the reversal risk. So इसलिए हमने 1550 का puts हमने shift नहीं किया है. But 15200 call से मैंने क्या किया है, I have just slightly shifted the risk to 15250 call because I don't want to take that additional risk. if I have to look at the open interest and analyze this, both 15,200 call and 15,100 put, the open interest has been continuously increasing. दोनों में open interest बढ़ रहा है. So which says that market has to probably expire somewhere between 15,150 and 15,200. That's what the market is heading towards. The time is 1:21 and market ने एक काफी बड़ा मूव कर दिया है and just like we expected and that's what we discussed, right? मतलब कल मैंने clearly बताया था कि if the market gaps up, it's gonna come down, take support and then it's gonna head up. So that's why like I stayed away from the at the money options today and currently we are sitting at somewhere around 34k profits, which is around 15 points we have already captured. And on the bank nifty end we are somewhere around 5,400 rupees, which means like we have almost captured like 50 points here and some 20 points. Almost we have captured like 70 points. So that's what I was telling you guys, like 70 points I'll be happy. But considering the bullish momentum, if it reaches 36,100 or something, we'll be capturing somewhere around 80 points on this straddle. So once that happens, I'm gonna exit out of my position. So now मैंने क्या किया है, सारे calls को मैंने 15,250 पे मैंने shift किया. Because I don't want to take additional risk on the 15,200 calls because my puts were trading at very cheaply low, fairly lower prices. But एक थोड़ा सा भी एक जोर से reversal आ जाता है, these puts will spike back up. So that's why I didn't want to take much of the risk on these. But मैंने puts को क्या किया, 15,050 and 15,100 पे मैंने risk को मैंने distribute किया है. And if market comes down below 15,150 or something, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again shift back all these 15,250 calls to 15,200 calls. Okay. So the plan is to take at least 20,000 home, which is 2% of the blocked margin, no matter what happens in the market. Market में कैसा भी move आने दो, so we'll be taking 20k as the this thing. All right. So that's what Nifty, Bank Nifty थोड़ा सा retrace कर रहा है, but all other things including Nifty IT is constantly in an uptrend, so I feel that it might take support on the 20 EMA. HDFC, it has gone sideways, but Reliance is the concerning thing. If Reliance starts falling, the only thing that's saving Reliance from falling is that it's not getting like good volumes. अगर Reliance में अगर volumes आ गया, then we might be looking at a good strong move on either sides. So we are currently sitting at 35k profits, and considering we have almost captured around 16 points as the DK, and the point is to capture around 25 points, 25 to 30 points DK throughout the whole day. यहाँ पे again same, around we are sitting at around 60 points DK, 60-70 points DK. So here, like if we get around 100 points DK, we're gonna exit this position, like nothing more than that. Alright guys, the time is now close to 2 o'clock and we are sitting at almost 4% of the block margin. यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ. The margin blocked is around 9,96,000 and we have made almost 4% of the margin blocked. And on the Bank Nifty front, we are somewhere we are making somewhere around 6,000 rupees, and the margin blocked here is 3.5 lakhs, which is almost we have made 2% of the margin. But provided Nifty Bank shoots up even by like 100 points, we'll be making close to 10k profits, which is 3% of the margin block, and which is a very good outcome for the day. Market कहाँ पे exactly 15,150 पे चल रहा है. Look at the premiums of calls and puts. Usually the general trend is puts will be trading at a premium compared to calls. But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे the calls are trading at a premium. Calls are trading at somewhere around 30% premium to puts. So this shows that the bias is clearly towards the upside. So that's why यहाँ पे there will be lots and lots of 15,100 puts that are being shorted. Market के पास there is only just 1 hour left for averaging, so I don't expect market making any huge moves to cause any hindrance to these positions. So these options will be holding their values up till around 230 or something, and 2 to 230 के बीच में इस options में कोई ज़्यादा decay नहीं होने वाला है. So we have to look at the same MTM for let's say next half an hour or so, but after 230 these will suddenly collapse to let's say 1 rupee or something. So that's when we realize some of the MTM gains. And that being said, we are looking at around 6-7k profits here. and at some point of time it had touched almost 8k. But let's not get into the profits. But if bank nifty shoots up even up till like 36,000 or 36,100, we'll be making somewhere around 140 points of theta capture. So that's what we are looking at. Up until then, there is no changes. If any changes, I'll update you. So all right guys, the time is 3:12, and pretty much everything, like whatever we did, worked out well. And so currently the profits are around 58,000, which means we have captured somewhere around 29 points, 28 to 29 points. On the bank nifty front, so we have made around 6,600 bucks, which is around 90 points that we have captured as the DK. So all the orders have been exited. सारे orders मैंने exit कर दिया है, and यहाँ पे भी मतलब सब orders exit होने वाला है. And in next 5 minutes Zerodha is gonna push us out. अगर Zerodha हमको बाहर फेंकता है तो will be what we have to, we'll get filled at bad prices. So what we're gonna do is we'll exit, we'll go out ourselves. हम खुद बाहर जाता है respectfully. So 0.4 पे हम बाई करेंगे इसको, 0.45 पे. So let's check like what all is remaining. 15,100 put orders. 15,100 puts. Okay, this will decay well. And 15,600 call, exit. Oops. Okay, we are just left with the puts, and the puts are trading at so and so prices. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna modify it, just because like 0.15 has a lot of orders. We'll take it at 0.2, so we get filled at this rate. And here, okay, apparently the internet just got slow. Exit and limit and sell. All right, okay, we'll just check again if we have any stop loss orders placed or something. Nothing's there, like everything, all executed orders, no pending orders, everything is closed. So we were able to make around 5.8% returns on our deployed margin, and on bank nifty front we were able to make around 2% on the deployed margin. So in total we made close to 58 plus around 65k profits for the day, which is a very good, very good outcome, considering the markets making moves from 15 to 15 to 15,100 and again back to 15, close to 15,200. I hope you guys liked the video. So guys, if you want me to address any particular things, do let me know in the comment sections, and I'll try to explain it in the next live trading session. All right, thank you.